but that white car, that engine's built. This is the
Oh, damn. That's cool. So it's just a stock LS7?
Yeah.
Okay.
The other one is built just because when I first had it done, I just tuned it for like wide open throttle. And my fans were going to 200 degrees, 210. So I have a manual overrider, but they couldn't even adjust that. So still no like LS editors. And then just use teen rods with the spacers.
Or?
Mine is a T101.
Oh, okay.
T101, not an A.
Okay. Yeah, that's I did that to mine too.
Yeah, I did that shit before, dude.
It's like whatever I got to do to not do that. Like what do I got to do to not
That
do
dude
that?
stuck in gear.
That looked like not fun to me.
How's that Octane Academy?
It was so much fun. You win or what? Are you the winner? I can't tell you that. It was like summer camp race cars. It was like no sumo suits, all that crap. It was just like drive cars fast.
Going on the track just like we did before. We lined up at 4 o'clock, same place we lined up earlier, right up here.
We want you to fill it as much as possible, but if you dive in and dive out, obviously you're not going to get as much as somebody can come in and just fill that whole pocket and exit out that way. We adjusted it to where most of the guys were able to fill it coming off this and still continue through here with the best. So we may adjust it a foot or two here and there during practice the other, but I'm pretty sure it's going to stay where it is right now. But yeah, if you can fill that whole thing, then you'll get the most points. Anyone else?
wheels, dude. That's all we got.
Yeah, get out of gear. Get out of gear.
You can't use that. He needs a T-handle one.
Where's that? Where's that at?
T-handle.
Because you can't get it in between.
Here, go do it. Go find it. Where's the T-handle
It's
at?
in the trailer.
19, 18, something like that.
19, right next to you.
Yeah, I need a socket. I need a ratchet. No, that's not it.
19 short? Where's that at?
Toolbox. There, for the drive shaft, you know how it goes to the adapter?
Oh, I got what you're saying.
And then just knock the studs out. The
I
shafts
need a
out.
short. I need to take a short with that, right? This is hot as shit. Yeah, like I'm like burning my fingers.
What kind of gloves do you need me to hold this?
A medium, large, whatever.
Alright, well, I don't think you feel the
Don't
gloves.
give me a race ball.
Yeah. Me.
These are all
What else do you need?
housing.
Lane 19's right there.
You got a socket for that? Go for it. Yeah, I got
the last one?
I got this one out.
Alright, drop that on your chest.
I'm not dropping no diff on my chest.
Dude.
I like this shirt.
Yo, I'll drop something on your chest.
Yo, Jeff, you buy me this t-shirt again?
Yeah, I will. If you get me to qualifying, I'll buy you as many shirts as you want.
We're going for it, dude.
I know.
Ah!
Yeah.
God damn.
I'm holding on to that and trying to spin
6
it
cars?
still.
Dude, we got 6 cars.
But don't take your time. Let's do.
I know. Yeah, don't take your time. It's only temporary. The burns.
Yeah, burns are only temporary.
Scars last forever, though.
Girls like scars.
Blow it out.
Dude, this shit is so hot. Ready? Yeah, go for it. All right.
Ready? We're going back and forth.
Hold on. We still got one bolt in.
There it is.
Here
you go.
It's hot as.
Put that new one under there. Got a new one under there. Go for it. Here's the back nuts. At least it's not hot.
Yeah, at least it's not hot. All right,
It out.
just lay it up on the
takes the
exhaust
heat right
and
off.
set it into this axle.
Jeff and I have an understanding about that.
Yo,
Yeah.
What up?
someone slide that jack in here.
There you go.
Don't get Dan tan.
Go.
Jack it up. Jack it up. All right, stop. Let it down a little tiny bit. Slide it back.
Where's the set of skins?
Right there on the fucking rim. Sorry.
Nice. Brad, if you need something, let me know. Tell me what you need. Let's go, Chest.
I'm good on the drive shaft. The drive shaft has 2 bolts in it. Jeff, don't clutch kick like an asshole.
Huh?
I said don't clutch kick like an asshole. You're gonna break this shit.
Dude, do it up.
We got some time. We got like 2 more
How much
drivers.
time we got?
Like 2 more drivers. If you need me to hold an axle, let me know.
Lark, is the passenger side okay?
It's getting there. We just need to tighten it.
Okay. Step on the brake. Brake. Guys, let off.
Off.
Hold on, stop. All right, you have 2 drive shaft bolts.
We need to get these Allens tight. That's all you need? Dude, we're on it. One more.
Start it.
Start it. Go. Just go for it.
He made it the whole way through. I heard him shut down.
Yeah, we're good. Shut down.
You stay on the track? You better have qualified.
You stayed on the track. Okay.
Woo!
Your driver's side diff bolts are you gotta touch every bolt in the pit. Dude. I don't hate you, bro. I still love you. Let's get out of here. You honestly just saw that.
Woo! Anytime.
Yo, thanks, guys.
I know it's talent when I see talent. That was good today. I wanted you to see it. Like I was telling Joe all day. Number 1 right here.
Hour and a half, and I don't run. So it was bad.
You can't not. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I just twist up now.
Where you want the bolts?
You gotta lay it.
Just put them in anything. Anything. Yeah, things are low.
Okay.
Hey, Brad.
Qualified
Qualified 14th in third gear with 46 points.
Thanks, guys.
Second, Roy Manners.
You drinking beer?
And the number one qualifier, score of 81, James Evans.
Brad, you got toe plates? What? Do you have toe plates?
Is that Jared guy? What's going on, man?
You know where Eggert's spot is?